This is a cup, full view, all assembled. We'll start to take it apart. You'll notice that in the top, it can be turned. It opens here for air. Here's the drink part. You can turn it, and that's how you drink out of it. And see the position of this, and the opposite this way. All right. You see the O-ring seal? Seals in there pretty good. Gets a good seal into this stainless steel area for the cup. You'll notice that this is a solid. It's a shaded area. Bottom comes off. You notice the screw hole here. It did have a Phillips type screw. Still have it, but I'm not going to be needing that. You'll notice the space in here in the bottom. It goes up to here just a little bit, so there's a bit of space. And here's the stainless steel bottom. I took the screw adapter on here off that was spot welded. It wasn't welded very well, but it was spot welded. And then this comes apart. This is one whole section. And you can see what they used to barely seal it on both sides. And here's the stainless steel section. Very good shape. Ready to take and add the piece to. This is these are the Peltier chips, the TEC 12706, and I would think I want to take and use a little better, a few more watts, a little more energy, because the way that I've got it figured, it looks like we're going to have a little more area. So you can see that how it fits on the bottom right there. Got more room to come out. Okay, I'm going to assemble it back together so that we can see the bottom area. Now here, what I was thinking, Kevin, was to make a piece of aluminum, this circumference, flat onto this bottom, using the same kind of paste, that heat conductive paste or something similar, to take, or direct contact, something that but attached to it so that it gets that heat conduction. Then this goes on it, and that fin sticking out all around allows it to conduct heat and trap it into this area above it in this cavity, and it can be worked with later. But there's that much room to take and add a heat sink and the mini fans. Lots of room to do that in there, and put this thin sheet of aluminum in there, and it's cheap. I can get a thin sheet, real thin sheet aluminum, really easy at the for roofing, anything like that would work. The circuit, you'll see, once you get the piece of aluminum on there, then the circuit can be built on that piece of aluminum. Now this here is the Bluetooth speaker that I was talking to you about. Okay, here we have the USB adapter. Here we have the speaker outlet, for your earpiece or something. Now here are the buttons to start it. Plus, minus, you know what those are for the media, for the speaker. And this is on and off, and the speaker. Look at the size of this in comparison. That hardware that's in here very possibly could go in here. It's got the battery and everything, rechargeable, very good battery. But I don't know, and we're talking $8. $10, something like that. Real cheap to find out, and they're readily at hand. This is using pressure, you'll notice, for that, which is similar to what I thought we would use eventually on the outside, wrapped around or something as protection, waterproof. But in this one, we could take and just add the, through this plastic piece on the side, easily add the LED lights and switch or whatever for this first one. Well, that's it. This should be information for us to talk about, get a little jump on the meeting. Thank you. Bye bye.